Welcome back. There's a breaking news coming in. LOP Rahul Gandhi has reached Aligarh, getting in the first visuals of Rahul Gandhi in Aligarh, where he's meeting the Hathras victims' kin. He has reached Aligarh, and there the victims are present. He's meeting the family and the victims there. Here are the visuals that you can see on your television screens. After the stampede, there's a lot of blame game going on between the opposition parties and the central government and the state government. And meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi has reached Aligarh. Tejshri, our colleague, has joined us on the broadcast. Tejshri, Rahul Gandhi has reached Aligarh and is meeting the victims' families. Right now, we can see the visuals here.
Yes, Rahul Gandhi is meeting the victim's family as of now, and in your visuals, you can see Rahul Gandhi meeting Chote Lal and his family members. Let me tell you that Chote Lal has lost his wife and a 6-year-old son as well on the day when this stampede happened. And in fact, it is very sad morning for the entire family because Chote Lal has once had one son and 4 daughters. So now the family says that their daughters now do not have the mothers and they do not have their mother. And now, in fact, this is certainly a very difficult morning. And let me tell you that not just one family, but Rahul Gandhi is going to meet one more family, which is just few meters away. And in the sun, you see, the kind of visuals which we are seeing on your television screen are very heartbreaking because people are asking just one question: that what was our fault? We just went to attend the religious gathering and we had no clue as to what will be happening there. And in fact, this was a very unfortunate, tragic incident that took place on July 2nd, where till now 121 people have lost their lives. But yes, this is not just the story of Chote Lal's family, but apart from Chote Lal, there are other family members. Remember, 120, approximately or more than could be 121 family members who lost their loved ones, and in fact, their family must also be facing such kind of situation. And after this, what we are being told is that Rahul Gandhi is going to meet the family of the family of Arvind and Vijay Singh. So Premvati is the deceased and who is mother of Arvind, and Shanti is also the deceased who is wife of Vijay Singh. So both of them stay in this particular area, and where this entire stampede happened, that particular location is approximately 1 hour from this particular area from where we are reporting right now. And from there he'll also go to meet another family members. So all in all, today Rahul Gandhi is scheduled to meet all these family members of the deceased ones. Also, Samajwadi Party Karyakartas have gathered over here. And when we spoke to the family members of the victims, especially Chote Lal, the wife of the husband of the one who lost his wife. So Chote Lal in fact said that he was also there at the satsang, and he was also injured a bit, but he was having no idea so as to such tragedy will be happening. And Chote Lal, his wife and his 6-year-old son, and in fact he only had one son who was his pride, is what he told, but now he has no son. It is a sad and very hard day for all those family members who have lost this life. On one hand, where these are the emotional and heartbreaking pictures, the stories of the people who have lost their family members. On the other hand, let us also talk about the investigation that is, underway in this entire case. So as far as the investigation is concerned, yesterday approximately 20 arrests were made in this case, and FIR has already been filed. A special team has been made to investigate this entire matter, of which retired judges are also the part, as the Chief Minister told. And in fact, Chief Minister in his briefing has also mentioned that while speaking to media, that government and the administration is in full action mode to nab the accused, because there are many accused, including the Chief Sevadar, Dev Prasad Madhukar, who is still absconding. They are not in the radar of police. So there, yes, they will also be nabbed as soon as possible. Apart from that, the forensic teams are also were also at the
CM Yogi pointed out that this entire incident could be a conspiracy also. Now, a criminal conspiracy is also being investigated under the same case. What is going on in that? If you can just share more details about that.
Certainly, it was a very important point that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath highlighted about the conspiracy. That is it just mere an accident, or it is a larger conspiracy? And if there is a conspiracy, each and every angle of that particular conspiracy will be probed. So certainly, this kind of statement coming from the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is not a normal statement. There could be some kind of conspiracy, and if there is a conspiracy, he said that all the angles will be probed. Certainly, that is why this special committee has been formed, 3-member committee, of which retired judges are also the part of it. On one hand, where Chief Minister says that it could be a criminal conspiracy, it could be a conspiracy rather. On the other hand, you see, after all this incident happened, 24 hours later, the self-styled godman issues a statement and in fact taking the onus, despite taking the onus of this entire incident that took place, that in fact in which more than 121 people lost their lives, he has the audacity to say that there were some anti-social elements because of which this entire incident took place. And as of now,
that
he
way
is
he's
nowhere
clearly
seen-
accusing his own followers to be the anti-social elements, and that is the reason also, Tejshri, that his followers now are really annoyed with him and have really started, they have stopped believing in him now.
Certainly the followers have stopped believing in him, and in fact the family members have said that they made the biggest mistake visiting that particular area, because they said that they also stopped their wives and children to not to go to that satsang, but they were very adamant, and that is why there was such a huge crowd, as the FIR mentions, of 2.5 lakhs. And in fact people were very agitated, and in fact also said that the self-styled godman who claimed that he will be saving our lives, and in fact he will be saving us from every tough situation, he will be giving us a solution for all the problems, he on the other hand fled away from the ground. Is this what he's supposed to do, was the question asked by the victims and the injured.
Those visuals when he was seen running away from the arena with his entire convoy. Tejshri, you just stay with us, we'll come back to you. The